Hey, it's Ty with Credit Suite, and in this quick business credit funding tip, we're going to talk about how you can get loans based only on your business cash flow. So, is your cash flow in your business consistent? Is it over $10,000 a month or more? Can it be verified by either bank statements or tax returns? Have you been in business 1 year or longer? If your answer to these questions is yes, then there's a good chance you can get approved for financing for your business based strictly on your business cash flow. So, if you have consistent deposits in your business bank account, you may qualify for a form of financing called revenue financing, or also called revenue cash advances. So if you can get $5,000 to $500,000 in funding quickly within less than 48 hours with this kind of financing. All that's required is a quick review of your bank statements to determine that you've got $10,000 a month or more in business revenue, that you're managing your bank account responsibly, and that you've been in business 1 year or longer.